Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and make sure you comment your favorite video. PS, these videos are not my own, but who knew you could make micro twist with Brazilian wool and it's looking so beautiful? Wow. Make sure to like and subscribe, and you can also follow the owners of these original videos with their social media account.
At
Thank you.
30 class, who needs kinky when you can use Brazilian wool to achieve the best micro twist, which is lighter and cheaper too. So to begin with, I went in for my stakes and makeup brushes. You can use a comb too if you have none of them. Then you just roll it around the stake or the brush that you choose. After you are done, you put all of them in a hot water. Now, first of all, put it in the saucepan. If you don't have a saucepan, put it in a bucket. If you don't have a bucket, you can get a plate. I'm giving you so many options. After you are done, you start your twist. With this twist, you make it a bit lighter. You'll be twisting it like you are just twisting the normal kinky. Then you get your scissors to cut it to the desired length that you want. If you feel like you might not cut it well, you just braid it all. Then when you are done, you cut it on your head too, depending on what you prefer. After then, you start with the crocheting method in the middle by getting some cornrow. Then you leave some small portion of the front hair, then you braid it to give it that natural look. But you can still crochet the front too, but I wanted something that looked more natural and simple to that. Feels like I've braided everything, but still in few honey there, not just a shame bag, there's that secret there. So yeah, this is me. This is so light, like it's so light. It feels like there's nothing on that head, but it's something.
Hi darlings, I'm so sorry about so many voice notes for this video. It's going to be hectic, but I promise you'll enjoy it. Now for this video, we're using yeye wool. You can see the wool very well. Then you're going to be interlocking your main hair. You're going to be wrapping your main hair with the wool, so it's not going to be painful. This is very beautiful. You're going to be wrapping it around the two sides of the wool, and then you twist thereafter, after using a single strand of the wool to tie it to lock down your real hair, and then you keep on braiding. Okay, whatever length you want. Like, this hair is so beautiful. Another style for this, you can also make loose braids with this kind of look, and it's also going to be giving goddess vibe and all that. You can even add some notch, you can even add some beautiful extras by adding beads at the end, or whatever design you would like to go with. Baby, this is beautiful. You can also follow the creator on their account, like I said earlier. Thank you for subscribing, my darlings. Mwah. So for this next video, we all know bantu knots. This is pretty easy. Just section your hair into make your hair into sections, and then you twist the wool around whatever length or size you would like, and then you can add a little bit of twist at the sides for a little touch up. It's giving Fulani bantu knot. So beautiful. You can follow her up on TikTok. So for this next style, I don't know if you guys have seen these viral twists that is ongoing. You can also wrap your hair around just like she did in the former video, but we're going to be twisting this one. Yes, that's viral twist that is going. And the beautiful thing about this hairstyle, it doesn't rough up on time. Like, it's not giving this wool vibe. All the beautiful videos in this compilation is not giving wool vibe. It's giving new, it's giving updated, it's not giving you understand what I'm talking about now. So beautiful. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, all of them. in case you don't really know how to do this viral twist, you know how they used to coil the ends of attachments with just rope or anything other stuff? That's how they literally do this. You can go as thick as ever, or you can make it slim. So for this next video, we're doing kiko. Yes, but it's not going to be the painful type. Okay, you're just going to braid the hair first and then use the wool to wrap it around. Very bulky wool. All right, you can make the wool slim, you can make it bulky, whatever size you are comfortable with. You're going to be using your Brazilian wool and just wrap the braided tip around it to give it that clean look. That's why it was braided at first. And then you can also weave to tuck in your hair, and then you start wrapping it around. You don't really need to go tight. You just start wrapping it around to whatever length you want, and then you cut it, and that's it. So this next video is also same thing with that twist I was talking about, right? Yeah, but this is a little bit different. I just added it to it. Same thing with this one, but this one has to do with more length and is also slimmer. That's why I also added this video. Please enjoy. Now for these butterfly braids, you're going to be making your hair knotless braid first of all, and then you start adding your wool bit by bit, whatever wool of your choice. And then after braiding, or as you're braiding, you're bringing out the wool strands. Make sure your hair does not come out with it, and then you can add beads for some a more aesthetically pleasing look. This is beautiful, guys. You can use colored, you can use whatever design you want. And for this hairstyle, I just decided to add it because it's a wool hairstyle, but I'm going to be making more videos about this very soon. Thank you so much, my love. Please subscribe, like, and follow.